At Nationwide, we're continuing our commitment to protect you against fraud. To comply with regulations and make sure you're safe when shopping online, there may be some extra steps you need to take at the checkout. When paying for your online order, continue filling out your debit or credit card details as normal. Before your order is confirmed, you may be taken to a Visa Secure screen to check it's really you making the purchase. You can choose how you'd like us to verify you from the available options. If you have a smartphone or tablet, our banking app will be the easiest secure way to verify your purchase. We'll send a push notification from the Nationwide banking app. When you tap the notification, you'll be taken into the app. We'll ask you to confirm the details of the transaction, including the amount and card you're using. If this is your purchase, select Yes, it's me, then confirm by using your fingerprint, facial recognition, or by entering your pass number. Once you've confirmed, you can close the message and return to your checkout, where you will see confirmation of your order. Download our banking app now and go through the one-time setup process. You can do this via Google Play or the App Store. And remember, we'll need your up-to-date contact details for any authentication codes we may need to send you. Let's fight fraud together.